Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram message colors. So let's start. To change the color of the message, you need to download an app. Open Google Play Store and search for Threads from Instagram. This is an app from Instagram and it's free. So download it and log in with your Instagram account. Since I've already downloaded it, so let's continue. So I'll just open the app. Now if you want to access the DMs, you have to tap on the button on top right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top left corner. Here you will see choose theme. Tap on that. You will see that sunrise theme is already selected. Now let's change the theme. And you can see that the color of the apps and all the conversations have changed. Let's change the theme again. Now let's change it to Aurora. And you'll see that the color of the messages and the app changed again. And that's how you change the Instagram message color. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.